This is Pier 39 with all the fancy. It's actually not that crowded right now, only because it's, what time is it? What time is it? Like 8:30, 10 in the morning, right? Is it 10 already? Well, we planned to be here at 7, but it didn't happen. Actually, 6 even. But at least the sun is more out. And let's see.
Thank you.
Oh, now she's the star, huh?
Yeah, Nora, you know, just funny. We just come. Serve them their coffee.
No, that is so. I can't believe people pay for those biscuit cookies. That's this cheesy cookies that you get when you're flying on one of the worst airlines, American Airlines. Sorry to say that, but it's true. No, I'd rather have a boudin sourdough bread. So let's see what they've got in there. So I think the one on the right behind Alcatraz, that's Angel Island, right? This one over here? Straight? Oh, sorry. I cannot believe that they don't even allow service animals on the Alcatraz. Nora is getting lots of attention because she's got her pretty red shoes and a red bow. So she's a movie star here today. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them only. You want to go on a carousel, honey?
Oh, yes.
What about this thing? All those people, those operators, all they're doing just playing on their phones.
I know.
Hey, I just love it that this place is not too busy though.
No, it's only because we're early. Life is so much better early.
So she's saying that if we get here 15 minutes before, we should be able to get on it, huh?
Uh-huh.
So what time was it? 6:30?
Yeah.
I have to admit, you know, I haven't been here in years, but the place looks cool. It's like the way it's done, the stores, how it's like this old.
I think it has to be completely overcrowded.
Oh yeah, and it's not 90 degrees.
Uh-huh,
It's
right?
not like all packed. Otherwise, it would be horrible. Hey, you want some French fries, Nora? Nora, you want some French fries?
Chocolate? Gelato?
Oh, is it too early? Hey, so that was the place was here by the fruits.
Right there.
Okay. Probably a bunch of stuff coming from China. I wonder how many of those containers are on this boat. It's like massive. Uh-huh. What is that? Is it like a crab?
Uh-huh. at the pier.
I'll find you.
In and out.
Uh-huh.
I think usually like that.
Okay, this is a boudin sourdough. They're baking the breads. They look. This is like a big alligator, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
It smells good.
Oh, they're making
What is he?
things like that. Smells really good.
Oh, look at that little turtle. It's kind of cool, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go get us some sourdough. Where do I get sourdough? Boudin Cafe. Wow, the place is kind of busy. Can I get one almond croissant?
Latte with that? Yeah. How many pounds do you usually put in a million, just 2 pounds. Yeah, so 1 chocolate, 1 white. All right. That's it.
And what's like your small baguette?
Small sourdough bread.
Yeah.
This one is the smallest.
Okay, I'll take one of those.
7.
Hey, didn't we take the black tour here? I will talk about it. Oh, see, I think Sabella La Torre. I think that's the place, Sabella La Torre. I think I had like a clam chowder or something here. They're all like overpriced, but